to take it of me. To me. But you won't seduce me. Do what you heard what you want. Stop what you need. Woo! Dirty da Anna. Hey, dirty da. Come on. Dirty da Anna.
Whole world knows I got the magic touch. Come and taste it, got you falling.
Okay. I had to hold it down, baby. All that bump to the bump. I knew all that bump was gonna have to bump. So let me move this out the way for all that bumpity bump. Come on, can I get by? Yeah, you can get by. Rumps and the bumps and the bumps. I'm just playing with you, Mom. You know I just
Funny.
I'm just playing, girl. I'm just playing, Diana. Dirty Diana. Yeah. Doom, doom, doom. Oh, wait. Give me that remote. Let's do Dirty Diana real quick. Hold up. We got it. Oh, no. Phew. See. Ah! Uh-oh. That was serious. All right, let's go. To take it of me. To me. But you won't seduce me. Do what you heard what you want. Stop what you need. Woo! Dirty da Anna. Hey, dirty da. Come on. Dirty da Anna. They been doing you. I mean the hot. Dirty da Anna. Hey, Anna. Woo. Welcome back to my channel. Hey everyone, how y'all doing? So we just making some shrimp. I got a baked sweet potato in the oven. Hey Ma. You know my mama's name is Diana. Hey Ma, tell me something. Did my daddy ever call you Dirty Diana?
No, he didn't like it.
He didn't like it? How you know? What'd he say?
He never mentioned it in the day.
He never mentioned it?
Nope.
He never mentioned the song?
Nope.
Dirty Diana. Hey. Anyway, how y'all doing? So we just chilling. I'm just cooking some dinner today. It's Monday. I got some shrimp, I got some sweet potato, and I have some salad in the refrigerator. So I just want to, come on, say hi to you guys, see how y'all doing today, and just wish you all the best. I hope you guys are having an amazing Monday. We are in March, and I made a promise to myself that I will not have any sugar this month. I don't know how good that's gonna work. I don't know what's going on with that, but we gonna do what we gotta do, baby. We definitely gonna do what we gotta do. So I'm hoping that that's gonna turn out really good for me, because if I can go an entire month with 0 sugar, am I too loud? It told me my environment is too loud. I'm yelling. Anyway, so if I can go an entire month of March with 0 sugar, I should at least lose about 10 pounds. What you think, Ma? Me too. It's funny. Yesterday, me and my mom were talking, and we were talking about the war and all the stuff that's going on, and Trump saying that, it's only going to be like a week long or a couple of weeks long, and everything's going to be right back to normal next week. And we don't know. We don't know how that's going to turn out. But anyway, what I want to say is, it's funny because, see, we come from a military background, and my mother told me she told me when she was a young girl. Okay, so let me get this right. She said when she was a young girl, she was going to the movies. She lived by Fort Bragg, right? So that's the whole military town, right? So it's Fayetteville, North Carolina. If you guys know, you know. So my mom says to me, she says, war is not cut and dry. If you really know about war, you're a military person and you've been through war, Saudi Arabia, World War I, II, Vietnam, whatever. You know war is not cut and dry where, okay, it'll be over in a couple of weeks and everything's back to normal. No. And so my mother tells me a story about her. And she says, one day she wanted to go to the movies. She lived in Fayetteville, North Carolina. She was a teenager, young teenager. She was in high school. She wanted to go to the movies. So she asked her mom for some money. My grandmother gave her some money. She got on a bus to go to the movie theater. She tells me, she says, when I got ready to exit the bus, she said I was sitting there and I looked over to the left and you could see, as far as the eye could see, for miles and miles, it was coffins. And she said, and it was not like a one row of coffins. It was like triple rows. So it's like 1, 2, 3, maybe even 4 rows. And it was as far as you could see. Like you couldn't see anything but the coffins that were all quadrupled side by side of bodies from the war. And so, if you talk to anyone that's been through a war or anything like that, they're going to tell you the real, and that it's not just, it's going to be a few casualties and it's okay. No, you're changing lives. You got these husbands that want to be fathers and they want to be leaders and they want to be husbands to their family, and they're coming back in a casket or maimed, so please, you guys, I just wanted to come on here today. I wanted to show some love to you guys, but I also wanted to show you guys some in-depth thoughts on what's going on in the nation. So please, killing people. Let's please pray for our nation. Pray for all the people over here, all the soldiers overseas, everybody. They deserve it because they're getting ready to go through something that they never.
That's uncalled for.
That was really uncalled for. Absolutely. So, yeah. Bye, you guys. Until next time, I just want to say hi. See how y'all doing. Bye.